Okay, hello from White Oak Forge. I decided to do me a little project today. I took a railroad spike just like this one, and I made this. This is actually a Rubik's Cube handle railroad spike knife. First one I ever tried, and if I must say, looks pretty good. I'll take it in a minute. As you can see, this is a twist, and those little squares pop right out at you just like little Rubik's cubes. I like it. Nice looking little knife. I haven't really put an edge on it yet. I haven't decided whether I'm going to go in and try to finish off the blade. You can see the forge marks in it. I have not taken all of them out. Might not. I got a good thick spine, and like I say, I have not filed it down yet, but come a long way from that. Thanks for watching.